Hello friends, welcome to Exit 204, Lab 13, Exercise 4. Okay, so far we are done with Exercise 1, Exercise 2 and Exercise 3. In this video we'll work on Exercise 4. So here we'll configure CDN endpoints in our web app. Okay, okay, so here we are, Exercise 4, use content delivery network endpoints. So task 1 is to retrieve endpoint URLs. So for that we need to go to our resource group and then from there CDN network. We need to go to the CDN profile and on the endpoint blade, copy the value of endpoint host name. Okay, so just follow me here. Let me close everything first. Okay, resource groups, marketing content, CDN profile is here. Click on this one. Now we need to copy the endpoint. So we'll first copy this one, CDN video, sorry, media. Let me just copy and I'll paste here. Here, basically we'll need rest of these two as well. So we'll copy now only. And this one is for web app. Okay, so I'll mention as host name. Now let's go back. So it says that from the endpoint, copy the value of endpoint host name. Okay, again back to CDN profile blade. We need to do same for CDN video. Okay, so we are done here with task 1 because we do have both of the endpoints, one for CDN media and another one is for CDN video. Okay, now task 2 is to test multimedia content. So here we need to construct a URL for campus.jpg resource by combining the endpoint hostname and slash this one. Okay, so let's construct the URL. So I'll just copy this one and I'll paste one more time. So first of all, we need to add the prefix, which is https:// and we also need to add campus.jpg. Okay, let me just copy. Now let's go and verify. Okay, so here's our image. Perfect. Now same we need to do for conference.jpg and poster.jpg. So what I will do is I'll simply copy paste this particular URL and we are doing for conference. So I'll just change this to conference.jpg and then next one is for poster.jpg. Okay. So I'll simply go and type here poster. So let's verify that whether these URLs are working or not. So I'll click here. So again, this is good. Now here's the last one, poster.jpg. I should see an image here. Okay, so we are good. Now, so here we are done until here. Now we need to construct the URL for our video as well. Okay, welcome.mp4. So for that, we'll go here, CDN. Okay, so this is our host name. So we need to add https:// and then prefix slash welcome.mp4. Let's go and verify. I should see a video here. Okay, right? Perfect. Okay, so here we are done until here. So we are done with task 2. Now task 3 it says update the web app settings. So we need to go to our web app. We need to go to the settings and then select the configuration link. Okay, in the configuration section, perform the following actions. Go to application settings, select the existing CDN media endpoint, and from there we need to update the value text box by entering the CDN endpoint hostname URL from the CDN media endpoint that you copied earlier. Okay, so we need to update the endpoints in the application settings. So I'll go there. Let me close. We need to go and open your web app, which is here, landing page. Let's go to the settings and then configuration. Okay, so here we have CDN media endpoint and CDN video endpoint. Let's see the current value. So this is how it looks like as of now. Content, your storage account, and then your media. So we'll replace these values with the CDN URLs, like hostname. So this is our hostname. So okay, let's do same for CDN media, and then CDN video. Okay, let me just go and add it. Okay, so yeah, I think we need to add HTTPS as well, so let's do that first. HTTPS://save. We'll do same here. HTTPS:// okay, and click on save. Continue. So we have updated the endpoints, CDN media endpoint from storage account to CDN media URL. Okay, now let's go back. Now we need to restart the web app. Okay, so let me close and you see refresh. I'll go to the web app, which is your app service. Let me just go and restart. Restart. Okay, it's done. Okay, so here we are done with task 3. Task 4 says test the web content. So in the Azure portal, we need to go to resource group, and from there we need to go to content delivery network profile, and then select CDN web. Okay, and we need to copy the endpoint. So let me just close and we'll go to CDN profile. Here it is. We need to get the URL of web app, which is this one. Okay, here is the endpoint hostname. So I'll copy. Now, what is next? It says that observe the website. Okay, now open this one in a new tab. You should see a working website. Okay, now the point is that the data which you are seeing in these images and videos are coming from the CDN endpoints, not direct from the storage containers. Okay, now observe the website and media content that are all served using CDN network. Okay, so here we are done with exercise 4. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.